So today, students, we're going to be doing a lab to see if we need light to see. So the first step we need to do is get our box. We got a box, we got one of our things, cellophane wrap or plastic wrap. Get a little bit of this. Wax paper. Flashlight. Tape. And some things to go in the box. I've got a Dalek and a cup. I wanted items that are easy to see, easily recognizable, can be seen pretty easily. So, put these in my box. I'm going to mark a hole for my eye to look in. Now, you want to make sure that your hole is somewhere in the middle of the box, so you'll be able to see, but you want to be able to make it small enough so that other light won't get in. And on the opposite side of the box, actually I want it on this side, we've got a clean side. On the opposite side of the box, I want to make a hole kind of close to the corner of where the box is. So not in line with my eye hole. This is going to be the hole that acts kind of as a window. And putting in that window, my eye hole first. Then make sure I can see. I set up my objects so I know I can see them through my eye hole. And I can see both the cup and the Dalek through my eye hole. And then I want to cut out my other spot to make my window. Patience. Sure, I'm going to take these out and do it, make my life easier. I don't need to worry about making my cuts smooth because I'm just getting rid of this cardboard. And voila, I have a little bit of a hole. So the next step, after I make my hole, is I'm going to take my cellophane wrap and make a window over it. So I take the cellophane wrap and I bring it inside the box and put it over the window. Like so. But I need to tape it, so I should probably get my tape out. To seal it well, you're going to need about 4 pieces of tape, one for each side. it makes sense to get those out and put them aside as you go. Makes a fun sound as the tape goes. I don't want a piece of cellophane this big. I want one a little bit smaller. One that's a little bit better for fitting the window. So I'm going to cut this big piece in half. Now I've got a little bit more manageable piece. It's still a little too big, so I'm going to cut it in half again. So now I have a piece about yay big, bigger than the spot on the box, but not too much bigger. Put that. Put my box facing down. I'm actually going to use my dollop to help me hold it down, so it doesn't move as I tape. So now my box has a window. So, now that I have a window, I'm going to get to do the first part of my experiment. Seeing what happens with the light. So I close up my box. I don't need to tape it shut because mine is able to hold shut itself, but if you need to tape it shut, you can. And I'm just going to look through. It's a little dark in here, but I can see some outlines of some shapes. Now, I'm going to try it with the flashlight coming in through my window. Now, with the flashlight coming in through my window, I can see a little bit more. You can see some cups and some other things. The next step is to take one of my other materials and cover the hole on the outside. So I have some recycled wax paper. I cut out a little bit. Put this over my window. And I tape it on. So another set of taping. Now the idea is going to be that each time I'm going to add a layer here until I can't see anything. So add an item, get my light, shine my light, and check out what's in the box. So it helps to have a partner tape it. Right now I don't have a partner taping it for me, but you will. So going through, you're going to go through the pieces on the outside of the box and see what you can see inside. Have a great time doing this lesson, kids.